Hi, in this demonstration, we will see how to add child nodes. Select two rows and right-click on them. Choose the Insert Two Rows Above option. Two blank rows are now added. For convenience, copy the ID of this node, paste it here and add point 1 after the key to make it a child of the above node. Now add point 2 for the second child. Enter Department A here. Enter Department B here. Add the baseline value for Department A. Add the baseline value for Department B. Insert a sum formula to calculate the total of child values in the parent. Now apply the same method for forecast values of Department A and Department B. In the visualization, click the Reload button to fetch updated data from the sheet. The updated values are now reflected. Click here to update the value. Check the Google Sheet to see the updated results. Here is the updated value.